Bubba is pretty occupied. Holy mother of God! I wasn't even paying attention when this game loaded in, man. Should probably start doing that. Johnny, Sissy, and Leatherface. It puts a shiver in me boots.
What are they doing to us? Where the hell am I?
I'm sorry. I'm the one that's gonna wake up everybody.
Might be able to use this.
Ah!
Williams! Oh, thank God I found you.
I had to run for my life. Run, Sonny. Get out of there. Oh, shit. Megan the Stallion?
Don't get seen.
Okay, well, he's occupied with Sonny right now. It's always the store.
I gotta stay focused. Gotta get out of here.
Alright, seems Bubba is pretty occupied. Holy mother of God! Bad timing.
Look, you're gonna want this to end fast. Trust me on that.
They're all down here?
Help me out.
You just ain't seen the light yet. That's your problem.
Or the whole family's in the basement.
Hell yeah. Got it.
Holy fuck. Where's Grandpa bitch ass at?
Yes.
Oh yeah, some valve action.
Are they
Sonny, you dipshit.
really gone?
Holy fuck, they're all the way over there. The battery's off. What's going on? Oh, get this shit going. Oh, this Bubba is butt cheeks. He doesn't even know what's going on. Damn, Julie. Rip. Come on, baby. This Bubba's so... Oh, man, I feel bad for him. Oh, there's a lot of shit going on, though. You know. They're escaping over there. This is going off. The fuse is on.
Others round here ain't so understanding.
Oh, I think here comes Sissy. Yeah, they can't stop it now. I wish I knew where Grandpa was.
Quiet.
Oh, I gotta run. Run, bitch! Oh, no, Sissy. Come here, Johnny boy.
I'm gonna see your insides before this night's through.
Oh, you know, the bubble wasn't that good. And that's alright, man. Sometimes you get outplayed. What's this Sonny doing? And that's just how it is. Yo! What the fuck was that, man? I don't think I was recording that. Fuck, I forgot to see who... Okay. Damn, some... Got two trappers and Johnny.
Gotta focus. Gotta.
What is this space?
Deadly combo.
Can I use that?
More careful.
No toolbox.
Thank you, Lord.
I'm right here.
You're alive.
What up, Connie?
Thank you.
Can I use this? Something useful. Hey, Leland.
Okay,
I'm right here.
you can use this.
Okay. Now, where's this go?
He's right here, I think.
Hey, Sonny, it's me, Connie.
Locked. Crap.
God damn it. Oh, there's Grandpa. Ah, he's right there.
There they are.
Remember them boys from across from up north? Louisville, I think it was? Lying and begging for their lives and such.
Huh? Was that a new soundbite?
They're all over. Stay hidden.
Damn, I don't have any.
Don't leave. You're just in time for supper.
Shit. Quiet. Oh. What is this?
Fuck it.
Okay. Finally. They're gone. Where are the others?
Ah.
I need help. Now.
I need some health, man.
Is this even safe? Keeping this.
I'm keeping this. I wonder if the valve is in the backyard or it's either.
Where's everyone?
Oh, damn.
It's too quiet.
Basement exit is open.
Too quiet.
This might be a bad move because he can just start to spitch right back up.
All right.
Fuck it.
I think we can make it.
Run, Leland, you pussy. Run, motherfucker, run. Run. Use the other arm. He's just carrying that other arm, bro. Use both of them. Ah! I made it. Yo, front of the house is open. Generator off. Hello? Was somebody already back here?
Yeah, fuck this, I'm not getting out. Fucking hell.
Oh, his big old hands. Come on, you can make it, brother.
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
Uppercut. Kiss my ass, hands. Be like Sally. From the movie, yeah. Right? My man Mad Cat. And Mr. Davis. Good luck to you.